Guys, quick one for the meme coin lovers and those that want to make some money from meme coins but find it tricky finding the best meme coins, and also just trying to buy them and trade them, you know, sending Solana from one wallet to another, trying to use Phantom Wallet and other decentralized exchanges. Well, I was just having my morning coffee and I have found something that solves all those problems and is going to help millions of people make millions of dollars. Let me show you exactly what I mean. MEMEX, guys, if you haven't seen this, it is insane. It makes meme coin trading super simple. Phemex have just launched something called MEMEX, and what it allows you to do is find meme coins on a centralized exchange, on the Phemex exchange, select the assets you want and trade them. So just like if you were looking at DEX tools or something like that, some of these trending meme coins you can see like Please, some of the trending ones like Lock In, for example, you simply go to the Phemex website here, guys. I'll put a link down beneath this video. It's a bonus link as well, by the way. You get some free crypto. Head to their new MEMEX, click on it, guys, and you could literally trade any meme coin, even if it's something like a small cap gem, something like $1 million market cap, these meme coins with the biggest opportunities. Also, for example, you can see some of the very cool themes. Like, for example, you've even got like Murad. I'll tag Murad because he's the SPX guy and I love SPX. Like, if you click on Murad, you can see you've got all his coins that he likes. You can click on cat themed meme coins. You can look at the trending. You can look at gainers. For example, I really like a meme coin that's not available really on any centralized exchange called Lock In. This one here, right? Lock In. It only has a market cap of $8 million, but you can buy it easily with one click on Phemex. So I think it's a revolution for buying and trading meme coins. Link down below to